think I drank it all.
Like the camera. If y'all make a video, like have porn in the background.
Just watching some
porn is really loud.
We're on PornoTube, and there's some nasty beer. You hear that? Some girl was getting fucked with a banana.
In her. 12 seconds, y'all.
It was gross. I got one picture of it. Pussy. It's gross.
I don't like PornoTube.
It smells like a good year. What? What did you
She done